food machinery. In this video, I will present the new range of universal mincers designed to mince meat, but also other food products. Telsa mincers are available in 6 powerful models. Available with 4 cutting systems, Enterprise system and Anger 2 system with single cutting are perfect for the elaboration of fresh ground meat. Anger 3 system and 5 system with the double and quadruple cutting are ideal for the preparation of chilled meat products that require a finer cut or texture. All mincers are robust design, all stainless steel construction. Complete mincing head made of high-quality stainless steel in microfusion quality. Equipped as standard with high-quality German knives and plates of special carbon steel of the highest strength and durability from Lamberg and Walter brand. Feature large-capacity feed pan equipped with a CE guard to protect hands when feeding meat. Powered on and off by means of a safety switch, this prevents the machine from starting up after a power failure. External throat is easy to remove. No transmission of motor heat, best cutting result. The complete cutting set can be totally dismantled to ensure perfect cleaning. 4 anti-vibration rubber legs. Hermetically closed machine base prevents the access of water or dirt. Telsa, market leader in the global food industry.